Topic 32. My best friend. My best friend is a very important person in my life. His name is David, and we have been friends for many years. He is kind, honest, and always ready to help others. I am very lucky to have such a good friend. I met David when we were in primary school. At first, we were just classmates, but later we became close friends. We studied together, played games together, and helped each other with our homework. As time passed, our friendship became stronger. One reason I like David is because he is very friendly. He treats everyone with respect and kindness. Whenever someone has a problem, he is willing to listen and offer help. His positive attitude makes people feel comfortable around him. We enjoy doing many activities together. After school, we sometimes play football, ride bicycles, or visit the library. On weekends, we may watch movies, play games, or study together. Spending time with him is always fun and enjoyable. David is also a hardworking student. He studies seriously and always tries his best. When I have difficulty understanding a lesson, he patiently explains it to me. Because of his help, I have improved in several subjects. A good friend is someone who supports you during both happy and difficult times. When I feel sad or worried, David encourages me and gives me confidence. He reminds me to stay positive and never give up. Friendship teaches us many important values, such as trust, respect, and kindness. I have learned these values from my best friend. I believe true friendship is one of the greatest gifts in life. I hope our friendship will continue for many years. No matter where life takes us, I will always be grateful for having such a wonderful friend.